going on, Facebook? About to work on the trunk. Here's the before. I'm gonna fix it my way. It really needs a new floor pan back here, but I don't have the money or the tools to do it, so I'm gonna do it my way. JB Weld. I've used it on quite a bit of stuff, and works pretty damn good. This is pretty bad. I know it needs a new one. I know it's not the right way to do it, but that's how I'm gonna do it. It's pretty flimsy. I'm gonna see how it comes out though. I'll show y'all. JB Weld does pretty good. But anyway, like I said, that's just my way of doing it. I know there's a better way, but I don't care. I'll show y'all what it looks like when I'm done with it. Here's my panel that I have for my air rod. I built this little panel here. That goes on top. It'll look good when I'm done with it. I'm gonna cover the interior too. I think what I'm gonna do is make some templates for the side quarter panels right here, right there, and put a few airbags in there, like spare airbags, and an amp or whatever. Same thing on this side. Make some kind of trim panel. We'll see what it looks like.